And welcome back everybody into another daily recap. Today it's Friday and it's the 15th of March, and we're going to have a look at what happened today on gold, GJ and GBPUSD as always. We're going to start from GJ. During the London session is actually the pair that moved the best, moved the nicest, I would say. You can see that from the start, from the early pre-London up until, basically even throughout the New York session, we saw a very steady bullish move going through the levels, and but especially during the London session, we had seen a nice market structure created. So this is what I saw. This, for example, this setup is the one that I saw right coming into the chart, so it was a little bit late to see that. But after identifying this possible new PSA of interest, that's when I saw that I could have actually have the first trade idea of the day. And as you can see over here, when the price was at these highs, possibly making this retest, you can see it immediately here. If I placed as a buy limit over there, price would have gone around 10 pips, so it's already a winning trade. But after that, you can see that if I had placed here the retest, price will go even further up. You can see that from this area, price will go more than 40-50 pips. After that, this area, this is doing after the London Open, same bias, same continuation, same trade idea with this PSA. I had placed a buy limit. The thing is that this buy limit, which is over here, down there, did not get activated, and price would just take off without me and go 28 pips. After that, when the price actually then made another leg up, I had this PSA, also this top wick over here, so I placed a buy limit on the PPL over here at 0.500, but unluckily I got, the impulsive move, the nice market structure. Now it was over because now it was the time that the price needed more a deeper pullback. So that's a loss, and price from there would then grab some more liquidity. As you can see over here, it will grab some more liquidity and then finally push up and then have at least around a 10 pip, at least 10 pip move on the bullish side, and then will correct down. And it's only during the New York session where the price would clearly break during the New York I didn't take any trade, clearly break and retest, and that's when the price would push up then for a nice 16-17 pips spike up, with some possible then further retest, but this one, for example, would be a loss. But that was it for GJ. Very nice London session on the bullish side. One trade that was a loss, especially because I missed out on this trade opportunity that I understood and I predicted, but I didn't execute. And a little bit of a distance, less than a pip distance from my entry for the this further entry. Let's go into GBPUSD. GBPUSD did not move nicely, I would say, throughout the day. You can see that this is during the London. So London was ranging more than GJ, quite a lot. So when I first saw this bullish price action breaking out from these highs, that's when I placed my buy limit over there. Possibly the breakout is not really that clean. So it's, I don't know, maybe I should have waited for something bigger, but I'm not really sure. Yeah, but I placed my buy limit. Price gets rejected from this hourly, so I get stopped out with a little bit of 3.2 pips. Price the same as happened on GJ. Price will need to grab some more liquidity before then retesting and then pushing bullish for another leg up. So as I was saying multiple times, maybe it's something that I need to address maybe something that I need to understand better about liquidities and where I should actually take my entries. Because sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So there's something that maybe I should understand from that. And after that, I didn't take any further trade at all, but especially throughout the New York session, it didn't take any single trade. And yeah, this is bounce from an hourly, which is the same hourly from before, so I might expect a stronger correction on the bullish side from GU. But yeah, you can see here, price would retest very slowly and give us another leg down. But yeah, was not really looking at it on GU anymore. And if we now go into gold moved, during the long session, nothing really happened. Some possible fake out on the bullish side, and I don't know if it's at the same time or even later than GU. The one thing is that the correction on the bearish side, this is something that I thought I wanted to take, because you can see that now it's a very clear, it's a very, very clear order block above the hourly. We also this area on the left hand side, and these candles are breaking these lows. So that's when I should have placed a sell limit over there. You can see that it will get activated and then push down 45 pips in a matter of like less than 15 minutes. Yeah, basically in 12 minutes it will go, possibly giving a further trade idea with this high volatility breaking below the hourly. You can see over here, let's go into the 20-tick chart, and to understand better this break and retest, you can see it from the wicks, how this is a very good break and retest, high volatility that is shown off in the charts, break and retest of this area. You can see bam bam, this is already, I mean, we'll retrace back, yeah, but it will go to 20 and I think even 30 pips, yeah, around 30 pips on the bearish side. After that, I think nothing really happened. We saw a deeper correction after a bounce from this hourly. I don't know where we are on the hourly. Yeah, we are facing multiple rejections at this hourly time frame, and then just very, very confused price action, absolute 100%. Then further, yeah, you can see that this same area, this same hourly, still being solid as a resistance or support for the bearish side, but we need to break below these lows if we want to see the further correction. I'm guessing that GU still facing this bounce from there. So yeah, maybe I will need to actually get better and at tracking the hourly time frames and actually using them better in a better way for like understanding the liquidity that is coming from there, and the possible rejection, the possible what can happen at this area. So maybe not really selling into it, but maybe yeah, even understanding it better and either avoiding mistakes. So only, for example, taking the trades that are matching that thing. So if we break below, we are clearly breaking above or below the hourly, like for example here, then taking advantage of it. Or if we fail to break, yeah, understanding it a bit more, because of course if I then, what's the point? It's a conflict in the thing, because I see this hourly and I place a buy, but okay, I place a buy, then it fails, so then I see this, I place a sell. So the same PSA cannot be used as a reference. But yeah, you can see the reactions are very, very good, but should be able to get a better grasp of it. Yeah, because this hourly was absolutely clean, and I really need to do that in order to have some better understanding of this. Yeah, for example, here, look at, yeah, even this reaction now is happening over here. Bam, very nice PSA, break out of this area, 20 pips, retest of this area. Yeah, but the thing is that 5 minutes, it will be a completely new and different things to study and to understand, to really understand. Because on the 5 minutes, for example, on GBPJPY, you can see that, for example, what do I trade here? I mean, there are no opportunities, because on the 5 minutes, the candles are not giving me those confirmation that I want. But anyway, the history for today, it's minus 30 basically. Of course, remember that I'm using a bigger lot size, I risk in 2% just because. And so yeah, it doesn't really matter that. But tomorrow we're going to do the actual weekly recap as always. And so yeah, that's when we are going to have a look at overall performance, which I mean, I know that it's not going to be good, but it's not really either relevant. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you tomorrow for the weekly recap.